What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is All Wings Everything. Yes, you are back in my kitchen with your boy Spinelli for another easy and delicious recipe. Yes, you know we don't want to make it difficult for you. We want to keep it easy. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to make mini smash burgers. Now, I'm a fan of a smash burger. I love smash burgers. Now just imagine them in those bite-sized burgers and how many of them you can eat on game day or on any other day. Guys, I'm gonna show you how to make it in the comfort of your own home. So I hope you're in your kitchen. I'm already in mine, so let's go. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's recipe. Let me tell you what we have right here. I have about, I got 10 buns right here, these mini buns like this, guys. Take a look at them, very small. Now, if you don't have these mini buns with the sesame seed, you could also use the Hawaiian rolls, but I like these mini buns because it kind of reminds you of actual burger bun. But I got 8 to 10. I'm not sure if I'm gonna cook all 10, but if I do, I got them right here. Also, I have about 16 to 20 ounces of ground beef right here. Now, each one of the patties are gonna be about 2 ounces. That's typically what a mini burger is, about a 2-ounce patty. I have a half a cup of mayo here. I have a teaspoon of garlic powder, have a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of pepper, have a tablespoon of hot sauce, tablespoon of dill relish, not sweet relish, you want the regular relish, 2 tablespoons of ketchup. I have some pickles here, tomatoes here, lettuce here, and I have some cheddar cheese right here at the bottom. Now, I just cut these up, you know, into pieces that I think that'll fit the burger bun. So of course with 10 mini burgers, you're not gonna need 10 slices of cheese. You'll probably need about 3 to 4 slices cut in about 4. Each slice cut into about 4 pieces. But you know, I'll let you guys determine how much cheese, pickles, and tomatoes and lettuce you want on your sandwich. But other than that, everything else measured out, guys. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna prepare our smash burger sauce. We know we all love that smash burger sauce. So we're gonna add our 8 ingredients, the mayo, our ketchup, bring over that hot sauce, add that pepper, that garlic powder, add our salt, our onion powder, and our relish. And we're gonna come behind this and we're gonna get this all mixed together. And this is what we have, guys. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead, I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, set it aside, and then we're gonna go ahead and start preparing our burgers. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start preparing our burgers. So like I say, you wanna make sure that these are about 2 ounces. And I'm just gonna show you how big they should look. It could be about if you don't have a measuring scale, then you can also do it at 1/4 of a cup. But you just wanna make sure that they're about 2 ounces. So this right here is about 2 ounces. So what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna take this, I'm gonna roll that into a ball just like this. Let's see if we can sit it back on there, and we're at 2 ounces. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get the rest of them done, and I'll be right back. All right, so I've measured out 10 2-ounce beef balls like this. And guys, I also want to tell you, if you want to season your meat prior, you can do that. But in this recipe, I typically do it, but this time I'm gonna do it different. I'm just gonna season it after we get it into our pan. But typically I like to do it before. So let's go ahead and get these babies in the pan so we can go ahead and all right, so let's go ahead and get these babies in some fire so we can eat. All right, let's go. All right, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna turn our cooktop on, and I'm gonna add a little olive oil in here, maybe like a tablespoon. Not olive oil, I'm sorry, canola oil. And we're gonna get that up to temperature. All right, guys, so we're gonna start adding our balls in here, our beef balls in here. Wanna make sure I keep enough room because of course, you know, we gotta smash these babies. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna start getting these babies smashed. That. And I'm gonna season my burgers with Chicago steak seasoning. And that's why I didn't put it in my meat, because I can top it off with this and get just as good a flavor. And I know you guys gonna say, well, they don't season it with Chicago steak seasoning. Shut up, I don't care. I'm doing it, all right? And guys, you're just gonna cook this to your doneness, to your desire. So whatever you like your meat to be, well done, medium well, rare. Just cook it to your liking. And of course, I'm gonna come over that with some more of that steak seasoning on both sides. So guys, what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna have to cook these in batches. So what I'm gonna do, these are ready right here. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and take them out, and I'm just gonna add them to a plate, and I'm gonna cook the rest of them, and then we're gonna come back and we're gonna add the cheese and all that to it. But I wanna have all these cooked at the same time. So let me go ahead, I'm gonna put these in a warmer, and I'll be right back. All right guys, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna start preparing our burgers. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add some of that delicious smash burger sauce here on the bottom, just like that. And guys, you know what else I forgot to tell you? We forgot about that bacon. We got that bacon coming too. We're gonna put bacon on this also. I don't know what I was thinking about. All right, now we're gonna come behind that. We're gonna add some tomatoes. Come right over there with some lettuce. And what we're gonna do now is start bringing our beef over to our buns. All right, guys, so it seems like I wasn't recorded, but anyway, I've added the cheese. We're gonna go ahead and let that melt, then we're gonna transfer it over here to our buns. All right, so we have started adding our burger meat to our buns. Oh man, this looks and smells so good. I don't have a lot of pickles, but I'm still gonna add as many as I can to the burgers that I have. Yeah, each one of you may not get a pickle. You last two won't get a pickle. And now what we're gonna do, guys, is we're gonna start adding that bacon. Oh goodness, you already know. And guess what we're gonna do next? We're gonna come back across the top with some more of our smash sauce. So just put you a little bit on there like that. And now what we're gonna do is we're just gonna top it. Bam, 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 bam. And there you have it, guys. Mini smash burgers. All right, guys, so I'm gonna leave the measurements and the ingredients. They're gonna all be in the video description below, guys, so check it out. And also, thank you for the support. I really appreciate it. So let's go ahead and get into quality control, because I'm ready to try one of these babies out. Let's go. All right, so we are back in here for quality control. I already see my favorite burger, man. I'm not gonna waste any time, guys. Check out these little mini smash burgers, man. And I'm telling you, I love smash burger. I wish they had one here. When I was in, definitely when I used to live in Alabama, I used to stay at them smash burgers in Alabama. So, now let's go ahead and take a bite of this. Just like I remembered. Wow. I can eat about 4 of these. These things are so good. Until then, guys, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, I ain't no chef. I just cook a lot, and I am out. Peace.